What's up and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to give you some information on the Boxycharm limited edition box that was supposed to come out in April. But before that, I just want to say what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that costs $21 a month, which includes shipping, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size items, and these 4 to 5 items are based on your beauty profile. Now, remember right now our March giveaway is going on, and we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, as well as the Glow Set Dewy Setting Spray. And if you want to be eligible to win these 2 prizes, all you have to do is read all the giveaway rules and regulations I'll have under this video and get in. Just subscribe, and it has the rules like you have to have your subscription set to public, and there's a few things like I put clues throughout my giveaway. They're called giveaway clues, and at the end of your comment, which is your entry, you have to have these giveaway clues. So let's talk about what Joe Morton said today concerning the limited edition skincare box. Because of all the shipping problems that have been going on with Boxycharm in March, I think Boxycharm has really grown a lot, and for some reason they had a lot of kinks in March. But I feel certain, guys, don't unsubscribe because of it, because I usually get my boxes late anyways, but this month it has really been bad. I just seen a message that someone posted that she still hadn't gotten her shipping notification from Boxycharm, but they told her that she would be getting her shipping notification today, and that in 4 to 5 days she should receive her box. So just, give them a chance. I think they're working out all these kinks, and they're going to make it even better. When a company grows so fast, sometimes they have to catch up, but I think he's found what the problems were. He's fixing these out, and everybody should be getting their boxes in the next 5 days, hopefully. Because of this delayed shipping in March, he has really been working on this. He couldn't see starting to advertise for a skincare box while this was going on. He said it just wasn't right. So what he's done, he's pushed it to May. So next month, the month of April, you will be able to purchase the skincare box. It's giving you a little bit more time to get your cash together for when this box comes. Now, to be eligible to get the skincare box, you have to be a subscriber of Boxycharm. If anybody's interested in joining Boxycharm, I always have the link below. If you don't want to use my link, that is fine. I just get a few charm points. You can go to boxycharm.com, and all the information's there. Once you become a subscriber, you'll be eligible to try to get these different things like Boxy Lux and the limited edition boxes. So this skincare box will come out for sale in April, and we will receive this limited edition box in May, not April. We'll get the box in May. So he's just pushing everything a month. So I just wanted you guys to know this, and I figured that's what was going on because it's been weeks since we've gotten any kind of spoiler or anything. He has a lot of spoilers to catch up on. So if you're interested in getting that skincare box, you might be happy about this because now you have a little bit more time to save up the money. I'm not sure how much that box will cost. I know Boxy Lux is around $50. Hopefully it's no more than $50 or less. So have about $35 to $50 ready for when he comes out and says it's time to buy the box, because I think it's going to be a quick thing, like he said, that he'll announce it and you'll have like a certain day to purchase it. So I wanted to let you know all about this going on, so you're up to date on the limited edition skincare box. So for the giveaway clue, for this video, could you please put a purple heart emoji at the end of your comment? We're going to put this in celebration of Purple Rain by Prince. Why not put three purple hearts at the end of your comment? And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And remember to share and subscribe. And please go to my Instagram account. It's at Kendy Jane 18, and I post things there. I really want that to build up, so I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my Instagram account. And I also have a Twitter account. It's Kendy_Jane on Twitter. And if you're at it, I also have a YouTube channel. It's called Kendy Jane Beauty. So I would appreciate it, especially on Instagram, if you would subscribe to my account there. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and have a wonderful night. Bye.